Hey there folks, Chuck here. Gonna try this again. I got about a quarter of the way through this and realized my camera was not recording, even though the audio was. So this is from Wade. He sent this over to me. Thought I could use it as a Mopar guy. He had some extra Mopars and he knew I liked Mopars, so he sent them my way. So I'm gonna go through these real quick. I got some muscle machines. Haven't seen some of these in a hot minute. That's very cool. Got the 69 Charger Daytona and the 70 CUDA. Turns out these are from the 2004 election, I think. They're copyright 2004 anyway. So that's very cool. This is about where the video kicked out. These are very cool. 2002 Christmas Ornament GTX. Now the later ones said Merry Christmas on the raised white letters, and these ones actually say Hoosier, so that's very cool. So it can be used for just about anything. That's a very cool setup. I love those tires. And this is one of my favorite Mopars. I love the split grille on the 1970 Super B. That's very cool. And I love M2s because they very easily disassemble, and I know they've got some quality control issues, but for someone like me, that's a huge plus, actually, because it means I can A, probably get them cheap, and B, get lots of parts off them. Another Muscle Machines Savoy. Very fun. Oh boy, here come the Johnny Lightnings. So, very cool. Wow, this is incredible, Wade. Thank you. I'm blown away. This is so much. 70 Plymouth CUDA. Ooh. A blinking king. I have a king, but I don't have one that's eyes change. That's very cool. He is by far my favorite character in the Cars franchise. Him and Mrs. the King. 66 Charger. Very cool. My family actually had a 67 Charger briefly. It was a 440 car, and it could really light up the tires because it was, you know, a massive big block with a 727, and it was so full of rust and missing all the interior, so it weighed next to nothing. Oh, this is very fun. A100 with jump seats in the back. Got something in the rear window. Something yellow. Brian Bowie's 68 Dodge A100. That's very cool. Great paint scheme. Reminds me of the top hand trim. That's cool. 69 Dodge Dart GTS with a bonus magnet. That's awesome. I love magnets, and so does my 2-year-old. That's very cool. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got some loosies in here. Well, this is right up my alley. This one's definitely seen some better days. I can do some cool stuff with this one. I like ones like this because there's no pressure to keep it stock or whatever. It's fun to just have free reign to go, okay, well, if it was this banged up, what else can we do to make it more realistic? Here's a careworn Superbird. Axles are a little bent. Again, a lot of great potential here. I swear this is Christmas morning for me. This is incredible. Oh wow. It's a little bigger than 1/64th scale, but Furious 7 off-road Charger. That is very cool. That is this one and the Ice Charger, I think, are my two favorite Fast and Furious Chargers. The matte Charger was nice too. I like the matte Charger. Oh, hey, look, it's the matte Charger. That's awesome. Very cool. I don't know what scale those are. They're not 1/43rd scale. They're like 1/50th or something. It's a very strange scale. Ooh. 3rd Gen Camaro. These are always fun for dioramas because when I was growing up, you couldn't have an industrial setting without a 3rd Gen rotting somewhere in the background. That one's really clean though. It's very clean. Very cool. Alright. Oh. Another The King. Very fun. My daughter is a big fan of the Cars movies. She's always asking to watch Lightning McQueen, which is kind of impressive at age 2. Alright, 69 Plymouth Roadrunner. Very fun. Like the red lines. Those are rubber tires. Very cool. 1st Gen Viper. It must be wild to be like these people like Ravi Man and be like, yeah, my car is an actual Johnny Lightning car. Pretty wild. EF Goodrich Radial TAs is a 69 Swinger 340. Very cool. Guns N' Roses Vega. That's very fun. I'm guessing, mini record replica. That's fun. I'm not familiar with this series, but that is very cool. 1970 Plymouth GTX. Super fun. Just some wild paint. Not often you see paint coming up the bottom of the car. Coca-Cola Christmas ornament Charger. Again, rubber tires, 1970. It's got the roof scratcher. I've put a few up on my tree before, but usually they're ones that I've already banged up, or I'm just so nervous about running those things over the roof some. That's very fun. And Superbird. Another 66 Charger. The Christmas ornaments. That one's got BF Goodrich TAs on it. That's very cool. I love raised white letter tires. Cannot get enough of those. That's a very fun Woody. It's interesting they got the stock one on the background. But, other than missing the hood, it looks pretty stock if you just got rid of the headers. And put some narrower, skinny tires on it. That's cool. That could be a cool mid-project build. Oh, that's fun. '70 Dodge Challenger. It's got the cool dual snorkel scoops. I really like the new Challenger design, but when I found out that the stock snorkel scoops don't work, I was like, that was so disappointing. I mean, I get why they don't work, because it just doesn't make sense the way the intake is set up, but 69 Roadrunner with classic cover cars from your favorite magazine. So it's a sticker magnet. Grief, there's still more to go in here. Wade, you undersold it. This is incredible. 1969 Dart GTS with a magnet. It's very fun. I do love A-bodies, and I've got a lot of A-bodies now. That is awesome. I need to find someone to do an A-body challenge with. Any takers? Very fun. Monopoly series. Little Red Express. The great thing about these series is that the tokens that came with them are almost perfectly in scale. So, at least that's what I was told. So if you're doing in scale stuff, keep an eye out for these and you end up with like a really nice little car for your display. 69 Roadrunner. Lifelike rubber tires with a cover card. It's very fun. Oh boy. 69 Dark GTS again. So many A bodies. I'm so happy right now. Body Classics. Another Superbird. Do love me some Superbirds. When I won the Celebrity Choice at Carlisle for my Valiant, I got to park next to a Superbird for the Parade of Winners, and we were both painted the same petty blue. And it was really funny because his car was, like, the hood of his car was worth more than my entire car. But very cool. First edition of the tuned Daytona. I've actually been keeping an eye out for this one, so that's very fun. Very excited about that. And we got some Hot Wheels, more Hot Wheels. Rebel Rides. That's the flat hood version of the Roger Dodger. So that's cool. They tried to make it look more like an actual Challenger. In the picture, that's fun. Oh, that's neat. The Dodge Demon keychain. And we got some demons in here. We got some, that's Sublime Green, I believe. That's very cool. I haven't seen that paint scheme. At least I'm not familiar with it. That's very cool. And that's the hood opening charger too. That's awesome. That is very useful for what I do. Oh man. That is awesome. Awesome. So I know I said that a lot. Oh, that's a AAR CUDA. It's super cool. That, is it Sassy Grass or Sublime? I don't remember. Yellow. Curious Yellow, I believe it was called. And Plum Crazy. So somebody really liked their demons. So that's very cool. Well, I might have to put together some kind of demon challenge or something. I know Devil's Details is doing a demon challenge, and I respectfully bowed out because I only had one demon at the time, and I've got other stuff planned for October, but Fate has just dropped a bunch of demons in my lap. And by Fate, I mean Wade. So, thank you very much, Wade. This is amazing. You are incredibly generous, and this means so much to me. This is so incredibly helpful. So, thank you very much. I will be sure to pay it forward. I appreciate the kindness. And I thank you for coming along with me for the ride. So, until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.